Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options with Thinkorswim. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. Then, navigate to the Trade tab. Here, you'll find the options chain for various underlying assets. Select the stock or ETF you're interested in to view its available options contracts. This is your starting point for exploring potential trades and understanding market opportunities. Once in the options chain, you'll see various strike prices and expiration dates. Calls are on one side, puts on the other. Pay close attention to bid and ask prices, as well as implied volatility, which indicates expected price movement. Understanding whether an option is in the money or out of the money is crucial for evaluating its current value and potential for profit or loss. To place a trade, simply click on the bid or ask price of the option contract you wish to trade. This will open an order entry window. Here, you'll specify your order type, such as a limit or market order, and the quantity of contracts. Always review all the details, including the price and total cost, before confirming your order to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. After placing your trade, it's essential to monitor your open positions. Head over to the Monitor tab to track their performance. Consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses or take-profit targets to secure gains. When you're ready to exit a position, simply place an opposing trade to close it out, realizing your profit or loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.